important thing which our body require, that we are going to see, that is vitamins and minerals. Now what is vitamins and minerals? First I will explain you that. See children, vitamins A, B, C, D, E and vitamin K are the most important vitamins. Vitamin A leads those who are having the deficiency of vitamin A, it leads to night blindness. First I will explain you in the short, then we will see in the detail. Then the deficiency of vitamin D result in weak and brittle bones. Got it? Then minerals like iron, calcium, sodium, potassium are essential for the body. So in addition to the micronutrients, we need certain food constituents in very small quantities. These micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Essential micronutrients, that are vitamins and minerals. Now, what are the vitamins and minerals here? The skin of fruit contains fibers, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help our body to resistance. Vitamins and minerals also help in smooth working of all the process taking place in our body. Then the roughage present in skin, whatever roughage which is present on your skin, it allows the smooth movement of food in the alimentary canal and hence prevents constipation. Therefore, we should eat fruits with their skin as far as possible because it contains fiber, vitamins and minerals. So, now first important one we are going to see, that is vitamin in detail. The different vitamins are named using the letters of the alphabet. For example, vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K are the most important vitamins. Although we need vitamins in very small quantities, a lack or deficiency of any vitamin result in serious disorder, which I have already explained you, but again I am telling you all this, that what are that problem we face. For example, a deficiency of vitamin A over a long period result in night blindness. Those who are having the deficiency of vitamin A, no, they are having the problem of the night blindness. And a deficiency of vitamin D result in weak and brittle bones. Got it? For that you should take a proper diet which include the protein, fats, fiber, sugar, everything. And vitamin give us the ability to resist disease. Now let us start with the next one, that is minerals. Iron, calcium, sodium, potassium are example of minerals that are essential for the body. They are needed in very small quantities. I have explained you, but here you can see it. But they have an important part to play in all the necessary function of our body. So all kind of fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, sprouted, pulses, their skin and the bran of cereal and pulses are all sources of vitamins and mineral. For example, iron is necessary for carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. Understood? Iron is very important because it carries an oxygen to different parts of our body. If there is a deficiency of iron in the blood, the body does not get enough supply of oxygen and one feels constantly weak and tired. See, here they are telling that iron is very necessary for our body. Why it is necessary? Because it carry oxygen to different parts of the body, and if there is a deficiency of iron in the body, the big problem takes place. What is that problem? The body does not get enough supply of oxygen and one feel constantly weak and tired. See, they are always weak and tired because in their body there is a lack of deficiency of iron. See, some person get tired very early. This you can also notice, and some do not get tired early. Why? Because they lack the deficiency of iron in their body. That's why you should take a good diet in which your body should contain iron. Why? Because iron, if you are having the deficiency of iron in the blood, the body does not get enough supply of oxygen and you can feel tired and you can even become weak. So this condition is called anemia. Now children, anemia means it is given there, but I am telling you in the short that those who are having the deficiency of iron in the blood and the body does not get enough supply of oxygen and one feel constantly weak and tired, which is called as anemia. Got it? So the mineral calcium makes our bone strong. In front of you can see one picture that is of sprouted green gram. All kinds of fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, sprouted pulses, their skin and the bran of cereal and pulses are all sources of vitamins and mineral. That is why as far as possible we should eat fruits with their skin and we should not sift flour to throw away the bran. So children, when you are eating the fruits, don't remove the skin. Eat like that only. Why? Because we are having the habit of removing the skin and eating the fruit, which is not good. Why? Because in the skin only it includes the vitamins and minerals. And tell your mother that not to sift flour, because that bran is also very important for our body. Got it? Now let us start with the next one, that is a balanced diet. Now in the beginning only we have learned what is a diet. It is the same, but here we are going to see what is a balanced diet. A diet which provides all the constituents like protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals in right quantities is called a balanced diet. What do we tell about ourselves when we say I am fit and fine? Being fit and fine means that we have enough strength and energy to study, play and carry out all our tasks quite easily. Our body is growing well and we do not fall ill every now and then. See, if you are physically fit and fine, when someone asks you, how are you? You tell I am fine. But if you are completely fit and fine, it means that you are having enough strength and energy to do any type of work. You are having energy to study and you can carry out all the tasks in school, at home, in tuitions, or you go anywhere. And our body is growing well and you will never fall sick. Never fall sick means you will fall sick, but if your resistant power is more, so you cannot fall ill also every now and then. Means sometime due to some climatic changes in the environment or in the atmosphere, you fall sick. But if you are physically fit and fine, if your body include proper diet, you will not fall sick. You are always fit and fine. We all wish to be in good health. For good health, our body should get all the different constituents of food, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral in the right quantities. A diet which provides all these constituents in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. So children, you should take a good diet.